Hello, my name is Evelyn Claveria Abarabar. I'm 45 years old from Philippines. My work experience is I worked in Hong Kong for 10 years since 2011 to 2018. Then I also worked in Singapore for 2021 to 2025. My work experience in Hong Kong, I take care Chinese family, Japanese family, and the elderly person. And then in Singapore, I also work experience take care a Singaporean family, three kids and the 2 kids. And I'm hard-working person, energetic, helpful, friendly, and diligent and willing to learn. Combined with my skills and rich experience, I believe that I can competently do my job well. I would like to further explain my motivation to the positions mentioned in a personal meeting. You can reach me either my phone and interview in WhatsApp. And thank you for considerations. I look forward to hearing from you.